Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about how to sign out Amazon Prime Video app on PS4 or PS5. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watching this video. For this first piece, open Amazon Prime Video app on your PS4 or PS5. Grab your PS4 or PS5 controller and move over the top and go to the settings icon and click on X. Now go down and select sign out and press X. Now confirm by highlighting the sign out button and press X button or OK button on your PS4 or PS5 controller, and your Amazon Prime Video app will be signed out of your PS4 or PS5. That's it. This is how sign out of Amazon Prime Video app on your PlayStation 5 or 4. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please subscribe my channel, share this video and like this video. Thank you.